Hello everybody, welcome to Mivic Tech. Today I'm going to be showing you how to file for Zero CIT on your Rev 360. Once you open your Rev 360 account, you go to self-tax filing, then go to tax dues, then you see your CIT, click on file now, due period in 9 days. Note this is for people that haven't done any business for the last year and you see the CIT appear on your Rev 360. Scroll down, leave everything as it is, click on proceed. You download the CIT template. Once it's downloaded, you upload it back without doing any other thing on it. Then you upload assessment. Everything should be zero once successfully uploaded. Then you upload your financials. If you want to get the financials for your company, you can actually send me a message and I will send the file to you. Click on file returns, click on accept this declaration and file returns. Filing. Return filed successfully. Okay, no pending payments. You can go back to your Rev 360, go back to tax dues, then you see tax incentives. You click on the tax incentive, click on final, then details will come out of your company or the company you are filing the tax for. The income tax exemption, everything should be 00000 here. Then you just click on submit. Now your tax due should be zero, successfully filed for CIT. If you want to file for zero VAT, I'm going to drop another video for it. Thank you for watching. If you're new here, please kindly follow, subscribe, and turn off the notification bell to get more videos like this. Thank you.